Yeah.
So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Aayush from Mr. Tech Engine, and today we'll be unboxing the Poco M2 Pro, which I have bought yesterday. So without any further ado, let's unbox the box of Poco M2 Pro. So here is the branding of the Poco M2 Pro, and the price written in this phone is 17,999 as you can see, but I got this at 14,999. Some of the features of the Poco M2 Pro. It is having the Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G and a 33-watt charger in the box, and it is a full HD plus display with Corning Gorilla Glass 5 and a 48 megapixel quad AI camera. So let's unbox. So let's keep it aside. This first, take it out. Let's open it. Here is the SIM ejector tool, and you get a quick start guide and a good quality case. And here is the phone. So let's take it out. As you can see, I have already set up this phone. So this is the in blue color. So let's keep it aside. Let's take this out. Wait a second. So this is the this is the charging brick, which is the 33 watt. As you can see, this is the 33 watt charger, and we get a cape which is orange in color, and this is a USB type C. As you can see, this is a USB type C cable. So let's keep the box aside and see the phone. So this is the Poco M2 Pro. So let's brightness. So this is the Poco M2 Pro. So let's see the configuration of this phone and the side overviews. Like, see, it is having a 3.5mm headphone jack and USB type C and the speaker grill. This is the fingerprint scanner and the power on off button. This is the volume rockers, and this is the IR blaster and the secondary microphone. Here is the SIM ejector tool. You get 2 SIM and a micro SD card slot in this phone. As you can see, this is the Poco branding here, and this is the 48 megapixel camera with 12 megapixel wide angle and 5 megapixel and 5 megapixel other cameras. So let's see the settings of this phone. Let's go to settings, go to about phone. As you can see, my phone is running on MIU 11. I have not got the MIU 12 update in this phone. So you can see the device name and the model name. And let's see the storage. Available is around 41 GB, and the total is 64 GB. So let's go back and let's see the lock screen. Here you can see double tap to wake, like you can do like this, double tap to switch off and double tap to wake. So let's go back and see some of the features of this phone. Let's go to display. Here you get the dark mode. If you switch on this, as you can see, it is working perfectly. The system font. Let's go to sound and vibration. Here you can see some of the functions. Let's go to notification. You can change the style of the notification from here. Let's see the home screen. You can change the icon pack, customize the layout, and manage app category, and you can hide the icon and other things. Let's go to wallpaper, the theme, the password and secure. Here you get the face unlock option. So and the fingerprint unlock is also there. Then the fingerprint unlock is really fast. As you can see, it's worked perfectly fine. It works quickly, as you can see. Let's go to battery and performance. So it is having a 5125 mAh battery, so I'm getting about 2 to 3 days of normal uses of battery time. Go to additional settings. You can change the notification light. Full screen display is also there. As you can see, this is the full screen. Like, you can use like this. You can go back, the quick ball and other things. So let me show you the camera. So let's bring the object and click the photo. So as you can see, this is the normal, this is the wide mode, and this is the zoom version, 2x zoom. So as you can see, I've clicked one picture. So as you can see, the photo is really good quality. The photos are good in this phone with the 48 megapixel main camera. So this was the first impression and the unboxing of the Poco M2 Pro. Hope you like this video. So this was the unboxing and the first look at the Poco M2 Pro, and hope you like this video. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notification of my new videos, and please like, share and subscribe my video. So till then, I will see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, stay safe.